Hello, this is Peter Adams again. This time, in this video, I'm going to go over the basics of creating and uploading an event to the website. This is something, if you're an Alpin member, that you may want to do from time to time. Remember that an event can consist of all kinds of things. It can be a document, it can be something, an essay you write, it can be a video, it can be a PowerPoint, it can be a Jing, and each of these different things that it can be, and it can be a combination of some of those, and each of those things we're going to talk about separately in the videos that follow this one. So in this one, the event we're going to upload will really not have any content. I'll just type in some garbage, but it'll show you how to do an event, and then I'll, in the following videos, go over all the different kinds of contents. So let's start at the home page, and the first thing to check before you start working on an event is, are you logged in? Remember, that means you look up here and see if your name, your Alpin name, is listed up here. Another way to find out is over here. You won't have these two choices of find content and add content, and so you won't be able to add any content. We want to add content. That's what we're going to do. We're going to add an event, which is one kind of content. So click on Add Content, and it takes you to this page. This is a list of the different kinds of content. I'm not going to explain all the different kinds. All I want to say is, for our purposes, what we're going to add as content for an event is always a forum topic. So I'm clicking on forum topic, and now it opens a page for that. It asks me for a subject, and I will type in responding to student writing. Here are a bunch of tags, and I will scroll down looking for any that seem appropriate, and I think the only one that does is revision, so I'll click on that. And then which forum do I want to put it in? I'm going to put it in the forum on responding to writing, and then I'm going to enter my event down here. And this is where I would enter a PowerPoint or a Jing or a video or a chart or an image, and also some text. And for this one, I'm just going to type in some sort of garbage text, just so we have something to look at. And when I'm done, I will then scroll down a little further, and there are just two more steps. Because our events, we want the events to always appear on the front page. That's called promoting the event. So we're going to click on this promoting settings box, and we're going to click on promoted to the front page. What that means is the title and about 3 or 4 lines of your text will appear on the front page. Now, you shouldn't do this until Sunday evening. You can work on the event during the week in anticipation, but you shouldn't actually promote it to the front page until Sunday evening, because if you did it earlier, it would get mixed up with the last week's events. And finally, that's all you really need to do except click Publish. So we'll click that. We'll hope it published, and we'll go to the home page to see if it did. And sure enough, there it is, Responding to Student Writing by Peter Adams, 5 seconds ago. And here's the little garbage I typed in. And now if you want to go to the actual page where the event will appear, you just click on the title, and that takes you to the page. And here it is. And again, all it is now is garbage. But in the following videos after this, I will teach you various things that you can use as content on your event. But this is how you create an event and upload the event.